Hello guys, good afternoon. We are currently at Cagayan de Oro City. Since we are already here sa Cagayan, we are planning to visit the El Salvador, the Divine Mercy Church. I visit Cagayan a lot of times and now lately there are really a lot of progress. As you can see, sa likod namo is the SM is constructing their new SM in front of the June Hotel, actually Red Planet Hotels. Tapos, this area is actually the center of Cagayan. And then, kalain nyo naman, magkaharap ang mall. Nandun sa unahan, sa likod, is yung Limket Kai. And then, yung SM is katabi ng Limket Kai. And about 50 or 100 meters, ito yung Centrio. Centrio Mall. And then, kaharap ng Centrio Mall is yung Gaisano Mall. So, ganun kadami ang competition ng mga malls dito sa CDO. Before we proceed to Divine Mercy Church, which is located sa El Salvador, we stopped by diri sa Siblings Seafoods and Restaurant. We are going to take our lunch here. Tapos, for a while, gusto na i-try ang ilahang foods. Actually, last time ago, is namin dito sa Pikas, sa Atbang, sa Pikas Restaurant, sa Panagatan. And now, karon namin dito sa Siblings Seafoods and Restaurants. So, we ordered fried na bagay-bay, 3 cups of rice, and their fried rolls chicken. So, ito Siblings rolls chicken. I'm not sure kung unsa na siya. But anyway, you just have to take lunch before we proceed to our travel because it's medyo layo-layo po dra pa siya. So, that's all. Balikan ta mo after sa mga lunch. Okay, finally, after 15 minutes or to 20 minutes of waiting, here's our food, here's our lunch, and here's another one coming. The chicken. Sige, may tawag gani? Sa to eh? Si roll chicken. Anyway, thank you so much. Let's have our lunch. Guys, fried bagay-bay. Simply one of the best bagay-bay variety na ulam na ako ang natilawan. It's simply, I'm not sure how it's cooked, but simply i-dip lang nimo siya. I'm not sure, siguro may harina or may nakasagol siya. Simply i-dip lang nimo siya og suka. Actually, naminagid kayo siya. Sin, kanang chicken roll, it's okay, it's fine. Hindi man siya masyadong, para sa ako is okay lang siya. Pero this one, dirigid ko na amaze og maayo. So, diri lang mo siya makita sa ganining restaurant ko. Siblings Grilled Restaurant, as in super. Just finished dining at Siblings Grill. Hello guys, we are now on our way to El Salvador. Now we just had our lunch sa Siblings Grill Restaurant. Tapos, actually, everything was great. The food really was great. Ang ako lang maingon, ang fried bagay-bay gid ang nagpagana gid sa kaon. So actually nakakurot ako nakakurot ko 1.5 rice for that order. Medyo turn off lang ang yung tawag dyan, service charge, but it's fine. We paid for almost 500 pesos. Medyo it's a bit expensive para sa duha lang ka person. I hate eating at the restaurant. medyo expensive yun siya. More karinderya person lang yun ko. Hello guys, we just arrived at the Divine Mercy Church. You have to wear a skirt kasi bawal short or magpantalon. So, may mga skirt sila na ki-supply dito sa entrance, which is all you have to do is to donate lang. It's up to you if you want to donate para at least magamit niyo yung skirt. So actually describing the area, it's more like shrine parish sa Davao. No? May dako kayo ang area. Actually, taas pa kayo siya. Matapata dito sa taas. Okay, here comes our worst enemy. The stairs. A very long stairs. I don't know how many steps, pero medyo taas good siya. Ay, it's really exhausting to climb all these stairs up. You know, from down below, tapos another stairs. But it's fine. UK Totz. She's my wife and she's on skirt. Poor wife. I'm sweating. Taking a rest for a while. So, nothing to do really here. Just actually, as Filipinos, kumbaga values, ano kasi, our religion, kumbaga faith, and then hangyan na. So every time we visit an area or a place, we get to visit the churches, but wala na naman gina-cover sa video. Hello. So a lot of tourists taking picture, and now we are approaching the ano tawagan na to? The beauty. As you can see in the background, dagat to siya. That's the ocean, that's the sea, that's the water. And I want to show you something. It's something beautiful. Wow. Wow. We just bought two, I'm not sure if two containers, I'm not sure if gallons or not, but we are going to get some of the healing water. Hi guys, we have our healing water here. Baon na mo pauli og Davao. Here it is. So,
hello po. Galing po kami sa taas. Yan po oh. Bawal po magdala ng gadget. Sobrang taas po. Pero di naman nakakapagod kasi kapag andyan si God, takas, tibay ng loob.
spectacular. When you're standing sa taas.
Tingnan nyo po. Then yan po oh. The surroundings.
Oh, tingnan niyo yung surroundings. It's a healing
It's a
water.
healing water. So, I'm inviting you po all to visit here. Even po, pababa na kami. So, sobrang thank you po. Pauwi na po kami. This is unexpected.
This was an unexpected visit. And then, as the mentor said earlier, na everyone who comes here is destined to come here. So we are destined to come here, and we are blessed by the God.
Thank you po, God.
Thank you,
Ganda
Jesus.
po ng bulaklak ko. Thank you po.